Zimbabwe in pain, but change is coming, Chamisa declares. By Tanash Sambiri Vertical Bar, the 22nd of August 2025. Citizens leader advocate Nelson Chamisa has described Zimbabwe as a nation enduring deep suffering under the current political and economic crisis, but insisted that change is inevitable. In a statement on Wednesday, Chamisa said Zimbabwe was in a period of transition. Zimbabwe is heavily pregnant. We're going through severe hardships and pain. These are the birth pangs and pains, the new rise. Chamisa likened the country's hardships to labor pains preceding new life, assuring citizens that a new dawn is on the horizon despite worsening economic pressures and political tensions. Critique of government. The opposition leader accused the Emerson Mnangagwa-led administration of perpetuating persecution against political opponents and ordinary citizens, arguing that governance failures had plunged the nation into crisis. The people of Zimbabwe are enduring immense suffering. Yet, just like the pangs of birth, these trials signal that a new dawn is approaching. We must remain steadfast in our hope and resilience, he said. Message of hope. Analysts say Chamisa's remarks are both a critique of the ruling regime and a rallying call to citizens to remain resilient. His words also reflect his long-standing emphasis on unity, accountability, and reform as pathways to Zimbabwe's recovery. Chamisa continues to press for human rights, good governance, and political reforms, urging Zimbabweans to stand together in the pursuit of freedom and prosperity.